Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. As you can tell by the title and what is in front of me, we are having a macaroni and cheese and hot puffs mukbang today. But before we get started, remember to comment, rate, and subscribe. If you guys like me, give me a thumbs up. Let me know what you guys want to see next in the comments below. And let's go ahead and get into it. So I made this macaroni and cheese a few minutes ago and I stuck it in the oven for 25 minutes to get like the extra crispy cheesy top. So we're gonna figure out how this is going to taste. I thought about putting I thought about putting hot Cheetos on top, but I didn't really like the texture, so I was like, maybe not. So this is still piping hot. Ooh. I don't want to show you guys. I don't want to spill it though. First bite for you guys. This is a lot. Oh. Guys, this is so good. I put a little bit of, I sprinkled some mozzarella on top. I don't remember the last time I had mac and cheese, but this is so good. Actually, I do. Shout out to my friend Vanessa for making the best macaroni and cheese of all time at my Friendsgiving and at her Thanksgiving. So good. Her recipe is amazing, but she has like 1,600 different cheeses in her macaroni and cheese. I can't afford all that. But guys, this mac and cheese is so good. This slaps. Is that what the young kids say nowadays? It slaps? What exactly is slapping? Like, is it so good that you gotta slap somebody, or these young kids gotta keep me in the loop? Oh my god, look at that crunchy piece. You know the food is good when you're dancing. So guys, I really thought about putting hot Cheetos on top of this, but I really couldn't because I don't like the texture, the crunchy texture of chips on macaroni and cheese, other than the crispy cheese part. I don't know why though. It's like triggering for me. I think it's because I have like this memory of restaurants putting breadcrumbs, like this bland breadcrumb, cardboard tasting, dry sandpaper on top of a beautiful macaroni and cheese, and then it just turns it into this weird macaroni and cheese. So that's probably why I didn't do it. I just remembered something. Some random commenter left a comment under my last Instagram post, and it said, "Why are you covering your armpits with your hair? We want to see them pits." Huh? I mean, I'll pay you. I mean, you can pay me and I'll give you some armpit pictures. It's kind of weird. So is armpit pictures like a fetish? Like, is that a thing? that is all for my video. I hope you guys enjoyed the food. I hope you guys enjoyed the drink. Remember to give me a thumbs up if you guys like videos like this. Let me know, and I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye!